Hello again, welcome to this channel, and I am really delighted to be with you. Very happy to be with you. As I promised, I will be teaching you Kinyarwanda through reading online newspaper. And one of my favorite newspaper in Rwanda is Igihe. And let us see some titles that are now popular for today, and let us try to understand Kinyarwanda through reading these titles. So the newspaper's name is called Igihe. Igihe. So Igihe, the meaning of Igihe, it is time. So when you say Igihe, it is time. So time means Igihe in Kinyarwanda. So let us see the first title. So the first title is saying, let me read it, then I will explain to you. Abarimo Dr. Pierre Damien Habumuremyi bahawe imirimo misha ibyemezo by'inama y'abaminisitiri. So let us go now slowly and understand. If you have a paper, if you have something to write down, please write down. So let us start by abarimo. Abarimo, it means those, among those. Kubamo. Kubamo, if you want to say I am in a room, I say ndi mu chumba. Okay? Abarimo, so it is somebody who is in something. Okay? But here, these are people who have been nominated, and one of them is Dr. Pierre Damien Habumuremyi. So abarimo Dr. Damien Habumuremyi. So now to complete the phrase, you can say bahawe imirimo. Okay? Bahawe imirimo. So they got in a spot job. They got appointment actually. Imirimo bahawe. That is guhabwa. So they have been given. If I translate it like really translating like I am translating literally. So bahawe, that means they received, or they got appointment. So imirimo, that is works. Okay, job. It can be a job. It can be a work. It can be. But here, when you say imirimo yacu, that means our works. So this is works. So they got. It is like you are saying they got appointed actually. But here you say misha. Misha, it is just a compliment on this phrase. Imirimo misha, it means they got a new jobs, new appointment. They got new position actually. You can say new position. They got new positions. Okay? So after this one say ibyemezo by'inama ya minisitiri. So ibyemezo, that is decision by'inama ya minisitiri. So these appointments came from the cabinet of ministers. So they got appointment from that cabinet. So ibyemezo, that is decisions. Inama, that is a meeting. Abaminisitiri, that is ministers. Okay, ministers of the government. Okay, so let us go to the second title. The second title is about Perezida. Perezida, that is president actually. So Perezida, this comes from English or French, and then they had to change it in Kinyarwanda, but it is a kind of president. President Kagame, Perezida, but Kinyarwanda say Perezida. Perezida Kagame yavuze, he said, uko how yaragiye gusezera, how he was about to leave his works when he turns 40 years. So imyaka, so myaka, that is years. So yavuze, that is kuvuga. Kuvuga is meaning to say something. Ndi kuvuga, I am talking. Okay? Ndi kuvuga icyongereza, I am speaking English. So kuvuga can be used by with different actually circumstances, and then but here yavuze, so he said. So he was like probably talking something, and then he say how he was about to leave his work when he had 4 years. All right. So if you got question, if you have a question, please put it in this comment here so that I can respond when I read the comments. And here this title is saying Rwanda. It's very simple. This now Rwanda n'Uburusiya. So Rwanda and the Russian byagiranye. Okay, byagiranye. I mean they had together. They did together. Amasezerano, that this one I want you to put down, to write down. Amasezerano, something that you can remember. But amasezerano means gusezerana, means to agree together. It is a kind of an agreement. They had an agreement together. Yo gukuraho, that is to remove or waive. They had an agreement to waive visa kuba diplomat. So diplomats from Russian and diplomat from Rwanda, they don't need visa now to go to those different two countries. So that is the waiver, visa waiver for those who have diplomatic passport. So these are the 3 phrases I want you guys to learn today. I hope this one is going to help. So first for igihe, just write down igihe, that is times. Abarimo, Dr. Pierre Damier, those who were among Dr. Pierre, they bahawe imirimo, they got a new appointment. Ibyemezo by'inama y'abaminisitiri, so this is a decision of ministerial cabinet. And Kagame yavuze, so Kagame yavuze uko yaragiye gusezera akazi. Now you understand the phrase, okay? Now u Rwanda n'Uburusiya byagiranye amasezerano yo gukuraho visa kuba diplomat. So now I think now if you go back to this newspaper, at least you will understand those 3 titles. So let me know if you don't understand very well. Go back to the first minute of my video and just read like I read and try to understand what I talked to you about, and repeat it, and then I will learn Kinyarwanda very easily. Thank you very much. And please, if you have questions in the comment, and I would like to see them on this comment section. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.